Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I go to install this Malossi Multivar kit on my scooter. These are my specs. Let's get started with an original run. Okay, let's go. So, first of all, you need to remove all the bolts from the transmission cover. Then you remove all the 4 bolts from the black cover. Now you can remove it. Just remove one more bolt. Now you're ready to go to take off the transmission cover. With these 2 holes you can block the half pulley and loosen the nut. You can buy a special tool for this, or you make one by yourself. Bring the tool in the right position. And then you can loosen the nut. Remove the nut and the half pulley. Put the belt a little bit to the side. That gives you more access to remove the variator easily. The only thing what you have to do on the Multivar kit is put on the plastic slides on the ram plate. This can only fit one way. I make a small comparison video about the stock variator and the Malossi one. Let's check it out. Oh yeah! The only thing you have to do is put on the roller weights and put everything together. Now you're ready to go. I put the variator back in place. And now I can start removing the clutch. Now you can take the clutch out. Keep in mind, when you remove the belt has to be faced the same direction when you put them back on. To remove the central nut from the clutch, I am using a locking plier. And I give a few taps with the hammer to get the nut loose. Because of the spring behind, you have to give some pressure on the clutch so you can remove the nut. Now change the spring for the Malossi one and reassemble everything back in reverse order. I use a vise to tighten the nut as much as I can. I give the parts a small clean and reassemble everything back in place. To tighten the nut from the variator and the clutch, I used a special tool that I made. These two long bolts needs to be in the center of the cover. Alright, that job is done. Time for a test ride.